Morning. Today's topic is set language. Set language. The definition of the set language is a set language is a well-defined collection of objects. Examples: the collection of all colors in a rainbow, the collection of prime numbers up to 100, the collection of English alphabets. That set is denoted in is a set is usually denoted by capital letters of the alphabetics A, B, P, Q, X, Y, etc. The elements of a set is written within the curly brackets. If X is an element of a set A or X belongs to A, if A is not an element of set A or X does not belong to A. The representation of a set is a set can be represented in any one of the following three ways or forms. First one is descriptive form, second one is set builder or rule form, third one is roster form or tabular form. Descriptive form. In descriptive form, a set is described in words. For example, first one is the set of all vowels in English alphabets. Second one, the set of whole numbers. The second form is set builder form or rule form. In set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. For example, A is equal to open curly bracket X is to X is a vowel in English alphabet, closed curly bracket. Second one is B is equal to open curly bracket X by X is a whole number, closed curly bracket. Then roster form or tabular form. A set can be described by listing all the elements of a set. For example, A is equal to open curly bracket A, E, I, O, U, closed curly bracket. B is equal to open curly bracket 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on to closed curly bracket. Then the topic is types of sets. There are 11 types of sets: empty set or null set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, equivalent set, equal set, universal set, subset, proper subset, disjoint set, proper set. Empty set or null set. A set consists of number of elements is called the empty set or null set or valid set. It is denoted by Q or only a curly bracket. For example, Q A is equal to open curly bracket X is to X is an odd number where integer and divisible by 2. There is nothing like that, so it is a null set, the set of all integers between 1 and 2. And then singleton set, a set which has only one element is called a singleton set. For examples, given two examples. The second one is the set of all even prime numbers. Finite set. A set with finite number of elements is called a finite set. For example, the set of family members, the set of indoor-outdoor games you play, the set of curricular subjects you learn in school. Then infinite set, a set which is not finite is called infinite set. For example, 5, 10, 15, 20 will goes on. So it is a infinite set. The set of all points on a line. A line has a single line have n number of points. So the set of all points on this line is infinite set. Equivalent set. Two finite set A and B or said to be equivalent if they contain the same number of elements. It is written as A is equal to B. If A and B are equivalent set, then n of A is equal to n of B. Here n of A is denoted as a number of elements in a set A. B is equal to number of elements in a set B. For example, considering A is equal to ball bat and B is equal to history and geography, here A is equal to B because n of A equal to n of B equal to 2. Then equal set, two sets are said to be equal if they contain exactly the same element, otherwise they are called said to be unequal. In other words, two sets A and B are said to be equal. Every element of A is also also an element of B. Every element of B is also an element of A. Universal set. Yes, universal set is a which contains all the elements of all the sets under consideration and usually denoted by U. For example, if we discuss about elements in natural numbers, then the universal set U is the set of all natural numbers, denoted as capital U is equal to open curve bracket x is to x belongs to n closed curly bracket. Second one, if A is A is equal to open curly bracket earthmost Jupiter closed, then the universal set U is the planet of the solar system. Subset A set and B, A set A and B be two sets. If every element of A is also an element of B, then A is called a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Clearly, if A is a subset of B, then n of A is equal to less than or equal to n of B. For example, 1 is the subset of 1, 2, 3 set. Proper subset, let A and B be two sets if A is a subset of B and A is not equal to B, then A is called a proper subset of B. For example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 3, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then A is a proper subset of B. Then disjoint set, two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if they not have common elements. In other words, if A intersection B is equal to null set, then A and B are said to be the disjoint set. Power set, the set of all subsets of a set A is called the power set of A when it is denoted by B of A. For example, if A is equal to 2, 3, then find the power set of A. The subset of A or null set 2 or 3 and 2, 3. A power of set is P of A is equal to open curl bracket by null set comma 2 set number set 2 set 3 2, 3 set. Thank you.